Sarasota, with its seasonal population and a stunning skyline, is often dubbed the Magic City. Yet its pulsating hum, synonymous with the vibrant nightlife, was subdued by the confusion and thoughts running through my head. Accompanying me was Dakota, my loyal golden retriever, his warm brown eyes wide with curiosity as he tried to make sense of our unexpected midnight escapade. His unspoken canine query, were he able to articulate it, would be, "What on earth is happening?" I could sense his subtle hope that I would regain my composure soon and, perhaps more importantly, remember his pending feeding time. Our journey was as abrupt as it was unforeseen. Merely hours earlier, I was confined within the walls of my cramped apartment that felt more like a box than a home in Northport. The yearning for a fresh start was no longer a distant dream but a pressing reality, one that I couldn't afford to ignore. Interesting to note, according to data from the census, over 35.5 million Americans move each year, many for reasons of personal growth or to start over after a significant change in their lives. I was now part of that statistic for personal growth. The most peculiar aspect of this whole adventure was its absolute authenticity. This not a scene from a Hollywood blockbuster or an extract from an engrossing novel. This is reality and my story. Playing out in the colorful and unpredictable landscape of Sarasota, Florida, my mission to grow my YouTube channel, XYZRV, was in full swing. In 2017, I was diagnosed with a brain injury, a life-altering event that brought me from normal to confused. It was a daunting experience, grappling with memory loss, hindered cognitive function, and the intimidating challenge of relearning even the simplest tasks, such as navigating familiar corners of my own home in Sarasota, running my business, or handling what used to be simple computer programming tasks. I discovered the ReCODE diet, a revolutionary nutritional plan developed by Dr. Dale Bredesen. The whispers and rumors I'd heard about its benefits piqued my curiosity. This diet, which is rooted in the principles of nutritional neuroscience, had already helped thousands of people battle cognitive decline. It was a complete lifestyle switch geared towards enhancing brain health. I was once driven to reconstruct my existence and find something profitable. I thirsted to reignite the spark that fueled my days, to resurrect the sense of purpose that once guided me. I desired a life filled with fulfillment, triumph, and tranquility, a dream I was ready to chase. I visited more doctors than I could count, shrinks, chiropractors, neurologists, Maryland, stem cell experts, nutritionists, and surgeons. Then that simple statement hit me: God helps those who help themselves. I delved deep into understanding the science behind the diet, exploring the principles of nutritional neuroscience. I was encouraged by the testimonials of numerous physicians who vouched for it, and a personal interaction with Dr. Bredesen himself made me approach this new endeavor with cautious optimism. I embraced this lifestyle transformation, bidding farewell to processed foods and sugary drinks and replacing them with leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and a spectrum of berries. I introduced healthy fats into each meal, swapping unhealthy ones with wholesome alternatives like olive oil and a variety of nuts. It was a grueling journey, but the remarkable results made every struggle worthwhile. Within weeks, I experienced a noticeable change. My energy levels soared, my cognition improved, and my memory was sharper than it had been in years. This newfound vitality propelled me to the next phase of a healthier lifestyle. I started exercising regularly, dedicating time to stretching, bike riding, and cardiovascular workouts. These activities not only boosted my physical health, but also induced a sense of accomplishment and contentment. More inspired than ever, I prioritized my well-being, cultivated my body and mind, and actualized the life I had always envisioned. One day, I received a heartfelt message from a woman named Sarah. Sarah had been caught in the vicious cycle of depression and anxiety for several years, grappling with oppressive thoughts and relentless worry. It's a struggle that resonates with an estimated 450 million people worldwide who are affected by mental health conditions. Despite her efforts to seek help from various sources like therapists, medication, support groups, and even yoga classes, Sarah had not found anything that truly impacted her positively. Then, in the tranquility of her bedroom, Sarah discovered my YouTube channel. It is a testament to the fact that 30% of YouTube viewers say they've watched videos to learn or cope with mental health issues. My videos featured Dakota, my cheerful golden retriever. Dakota's lively spirit seemed to, through the screen, filling Sarah's space and heart with a warmth she hadn't felt in a long time. His unconditional love, reflected so clearly in his actions, reignited her belief in the goodness of the world. Sarah found solace in these videos. They helped her navigate through her depression and anxiety, bringing her an immense amount of comfort. She expressed her gratitude for sharing Dakota's life with the world. Then came a message from a man named John. He was in his late 60s, had been diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. My videos about the ReCODE diet, a groundbreaking dietary plan designed to improve brain function and reverse Alzheimer's disease, had resonated with him. An estimated 1 million people worldwide have dementia, with Alzheimer's disease contributing to 60–70% of cases. John meticulously followed the diet, observing steady improvements in his condition. He expressed his profound gratitude, stating that the videos had transformed his life, giving him hope when it was in short supply. His words were a testament to the power and impact that YouTube channels can have on mental health and overall well-being. I've created videos on a range of topics, including travel, brain health, and personal growth. My objective was to inform and inspire, offering a fresh perspective on the world around us. My channel, originally small, started receiving attention as I consistently put out diverse content. According to a Tubix 2020 report, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute, and channels that post more than once a week are much more likely to see sustained growth. My channel soon took off. I discovered that my audience wasn't just local, but global. Every day, people from different cultures and walks of life reached out, expressing their gratitude and sharing stories. This global reach underlines the power of YouTube, which has over 2 billion logged-in users monthly. Then one day, a life-changing email arrived from a producer at a major television network. Television, with its extensive reach, offered a larger platform. I was initially overwhelmed at the prospect of showcasing my life on a larger platform. However, my immediate goal was to grow my channel and not lose focus. My story of recovery and growth took over. My YouTube channel will disseminate my experiences and learnings for now. I've leveraged this platform for brain health advocacy, but travel was how it started. My channel has also been a source of inspiration and adventure, sharing my stories from exotic holiday destinations. Remember, we're only just beginning. This video is an introduction to show you that anything is possible and you can do it. As I journey through life, I find that my path is one of continuous evolution. With each dawn, a fresh opportunity unfolds before me to learn something new, to broaden my sense of self. Every day presents a chance for growth, for improvement, and for self-discovery. I've always been a fervent disciple of ceaseless learning and relentless self-growth, and I strive to shape my life accordingly. It's in this tireless quest for wisdom that I've cultured a strong desire to assist others in maximizing their potential and harmonizing their life with their highest aspirations. I hold a steadfast belief that everyone merits a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. My mission is to aid others in unveiling their hidden talents, surmounting their obstacles, and charting their course to a fulfilling existence. As I invite you to the subsequent chapter of my narrative, I'll be diving deeper into my personal experiences. I'll be illuminating my journey, the tribulations I've encountered, and the lessons I've harvested from them. These memories are not merely reflections of my past, but also evidence of my resilience and adaptability. Moreover, my calling goes beyond personal narratives. I offer a glimmer of hope to those wrestling with the debilitating effects of brain injury, cognitive decline, or depression. It is a known fact that, with the right support and resources, patients can recover from brain injuries. For instance, inspiring stories like that of James Cracknell, who, after a devastating brain injury, went on to complete the Marathon des Sables, touted as the toughest foot race on Earth. Or that of Gabby Giffords, a U.S. Congresswoman who returned to public service after surviving an assassination attempt that resulted in a brain injury. Their stories serve as a testament to the power and resilience in the face of adversity. In my efforts to ease their struggle and promote their recovery, I provide tips, advice, and strategies. Grounded in research and experience, these strategies include maintaining a positive outlook, which, according to a study by the University of Kentucky, can significantly contribute to brain injury recovery. My hope is that my insights will act as a beacon of hope, guiding them towards a brighter, healthier future. In the next chapter, I will unveil more about my experiences and the lessons I've gathered. I also extend helpful tips and advice for anyone wrestling with brain injury, cognitive decline, or depression. I aim to inspire and provide practical guidance based on my journey and the powerful stories of resilience in the face of adversity. As we delve deeper into this voyage of discovery, allow me to acquaint you with the pivotal inspirations that have guided me throughout my journey. Now, let's shift our gaze towards the images of my beloved wife, Kelly, and our dependable golden retriever, Dakota. Here lies Dakota, a true embodiment of joy and loyalty. And there stands Kelly, a symbol of wisdom and direction in my life. Their seemingly unusual combination has conveyed priceless wisdom about resilience, determination, and a positive outlook towards life. Studies have shown that pets like Dakota, with their never-ending energy and unwavering loyalty, are known to have therapeutic effects, reducing stress and encouraging exercise. Max, bursting with life and a spirit that never gives up, teaches us the lessons of battling against all odds. His lively nature and relentless enthusiasm for life is a living testament to the belief that no hurdle is too high to surmount if tackled with the right spirit. Kelly, on the other hand, embodies the power of mentorship. With her insightful wisdom and guidance, she has shown me the importance of maintaining a positive mindset, even in difficult times. Research has demonstrated that mentors like Kelly can provide emotional support, assist in problem solving, and foster resilience during challenging situations. Her optimism amidst adversity, her knack for finding the silver lining in every cloud has molded my perspective, making me a better individual. Her wisdom has been the guiding light in my darkest hours, a beacon of hope leading me toward the correct path. Together, they have significantly contributed to my ability to overcome challenges and achieve my goals. Their influences on my life have been deep and enduring. Now, I wish to convey some of the life-transforming lessons I've gleaned from them and share them with you. Whether you're grappling with a traumatic brain injury, cognitive decline, depression, or simply the stress of everyday life, the lessons Dakota and Kelly have taught me can aid in reshaping your perspective and rekindling your motivation. Always remember, you possess within you the fortitude to triumph over any obstacle life may present. All you need is the right mindset, a wholesome diet that contradicts what medical professionals and food pyramid recommends, and a bit of help from those around you. Contrary to popular belief, it's often healthier to refrain from eating what your FDA recommends. So stay hungry, stay hydrated, my friends. I promise to delve deeper into this. There is a myriad of facets yet to be discovered as we progress on this journey together. We've got much more to investigate together in this expedition. Dakota, Kelly, Mom, and I,